A lot of people are going to find jobs because of you. JobQuest agent system. Name of the game is helping people to find the right job in the right region. Very complementary. I can imagine you do your career path mapping agent first, and then you identify, where you want to go. You can start looking for the relevant jobs. So take us through this little gem here, JK.
This JobQuest agent, to put it simply, is to help students accelerate their process, or not even students, perhaps people who are looking for internships or jobs, to help accelerate that process. So there's two outputs that this JobQuest agent would give you. And the first one that you're seeing right here is just a proposal that will help you map out your skills, as well as give you some networking plans so as to help you navigate this your current industry. So first of all, we would take in their resume, and from their resume, we already know roughly what kind of industry that they want to go to. So we'll do a deep research first. Then we'll also do a skill gap analysis to help them map out what their current industry skills are required and whether they have the skills to get there. But beyond that, I think one important aspect of job finding is also networking. So we will also include in the proposal some people in the industries that you should probably network to. What are the hot industry trends that you should follow? What are the current most popular technologies that there are? But given all this plan, I guess it would be hard, or at least it would be hard for me to follow up on it. So that's where the timeline and the productivity agent comes in. It drafts out a plan for you. Maybe day one, you should reach out to 5 people. You should try and get 3 internship applications going. And week 2, how your progress is going to be like, and so on and so forth, to really break down this high-level kind of goal into actionable steps for you to carry out to make sure you're consistent. And the reason why the workflow is so long is because that is only the first part of it. That's just the proposal. So if you see at the initial stage, that will be the skill gap matrix. It will help to map out any required skills that are relevant to your industry, as well as give you some vulnerability matrix to see what other skills you have that are maybe vulnerable. And it will also draft a 30, 60 to 90 days learning plan for you. And beyond that, we have a networking strategy section, and this will help to identify some of the strategic leaders and decision makers within your industry. And these are the people for you to look out for and reach out to if you really want this high value context. And lastly, it also gives you some sort of guidance to how you want to brand yourself. It gives you tips and tricks as to how to optimize your LinkedIn profiles and how you're going to post some posts on these platforms so as to really build your brand from scratch. And lastly, because all of these goals and actions may seem a bit daunting, so we even have a personal productivity section where it helps you map out what are the actionables you need to do within 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, etc. So that by breaking it down, hopefully it will seem less daunting and you can treat it as small actionable steps. And as long as you complete this consistently, you get to your goal and desired skill level eventually. And beyond that, there's the application package, because what we want is also a quick and easy way for us to apply for more of these job roles or internship applications. So for instance, we would help to give you a master resume that you can use for your job applications. And we'll also even have a job finder agent. It will take in whatever desired geography that you want to find your jobs, and it will find the top 6 best, most recommended job openings for you in accordance with your resume details. And it will give you tailored cover letters for these companies as well. And beyond that, the job application process still involves interviewing processes. So we've also instructed there to be an interview agent, questions agent. It will give the industry most common questions, as well as perhaps interview questions that those specific companies recommended to you would ask as well. So this whole package is really to help you through that whole application process of trying to find a job to actually going to the interview process and getting that job, to make sure you are well prepared for your job application. So first of all, it would help to find 6 relevant jobs for you in your desired geography. And first, it will provide a tailored resume for you. So this would this would be a master resume that you can use in your applications. And as for the 6 job positions that is identified for you, that it deems suitable for you, it will help you create personal cover letters just in case all of these applications require these extra steps. This would help to trim down the amount of time that it takes for you during this application process. So we're just scrolling through all of the different cover letters. And lastly, because the application process also involves interviews and technical components as well, so we want to make sure that you are well prepared. So we also have an interview preparation package. So it'll give you all of the different questions that may be common to industry applications, and it'll classify them as well. So it's better for you as you are revising them. And they even have company-specific questions that these recommended company positions may ask for you to make sure that you're really well prepared when going for an application or an interview. So yeah, with this application package, hopefully it gives you the necessary resources you need to guide you through every step of the application process. So the first agent over here, it will be the JobQuest analyst. It doesn't take a lot of information. It just asks for your email address, your resume, and the desired geography that you want to look for jobs in. So after that, it'll pass it on to the deep research analyst, which will then use the information extracted and help to do a deep research on the industry that you want to position your career in. Once it has this knowledge base, it'll pass it down to the future agents, which is one agent would do the skill gap analysis. The other one would help to draft out, as mentioned before, some people that you could network with that will provide high value contacts. And another agent that will help you do a personal productivity timeline so that to map out all of these goals into actionable steps for you to proceed with. And lastly, all these 3 outputs will be pushed through the master guidebook agent, which will package it into the first proposal that I have shown you. But we don't stop there, because we also have a master resume crafter. This would be responsible for drafting your curated resume. We'll also have the cover letter agent as well to do the agents for all of the jobs recommended for you. And lastly, we'll have an interview questions agent that would help to draft out all of the interview questions and classify them according to their difficulty levels as well. And lastly, this will be packaged separately into the job application package agent to make sure it is comprehensive and neatly formatted and sent to your email as seen in the secondary proposal. This would be how the JobQuest workflow would look like. So if you see over here, I've used this for testing, but it's just my initial resume and my desired geography. It will be passed into the deep research agent. And then it'll do the skill gap analysis, it'll do the networking strategy, it'll do the personal productivity timeline. And all these 3 inputs are pushed through to the master guidebook agent. And we even have a hallucination verifier agent, which would check and see if these sources and these content that is recommended to you is legitimate and it is credible. And that would constitute the first input that you receive through your email. And let's backtrack a bit. This deep research is also passed into your job finder agent. This would help to find 6 recommended jobs for you. Once that is passed in, it will help to draft out your master resume. It will help to do your tailored cover letters. It will help to do your comprehensive interview questions. And this will be packaged into the last application package agent and give you the second proposal output.
Awesome stuff, man. Well done. I think a lot of people are going to find jobs because of you. We should change the name of that to the JK JobQuest agent.